welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a wonder remedy. Now this remedy is actually something that you probably know, but mixing it up with other great natural home remedy that would help you to polish your skin, glow your skin. It will help you to brighten up your skin and remove all of those dead skin cells, and your skin is going to be renewed and young. Okay, so let's dive into the video, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, okay. Now to do this, we're going to be needing potato. Now you have to use Irish potato for the interest of those who is going to ask me. Now potato treats dark spots. It helps to treat sunburns, helps lighten the skin. It treats dry skin. It exfoliates the skin and remove the dead skin cells. It improves the collagen level of the skin, therefore giving you a brighter and a newer skin. And it also helps to remove dark spots. We're also going to be making use of rice powder, guys, because rice powder contains a few non-protecting agents like ferulic acid and allantoin. It helps to convert it into a good natural sunscreen. Rice powder also sorts the sunburns on the skin. It also prevents the skin from suntan. It helps to lighten up the skin because it contains a lightening property that helps to leave the skin lighter. Gram flour is excellent in exfoliating dead skin cells. It removes tan, removes fine facial hair, and it also can offer instant fairness to the skin. It helps to lower cholesterol, control diabetes. It helps to remove suntan, and it helps to improve the skin aging process. And also we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil, or you can also make use of vitamin E capsule, okay, which I have here. Vitamin E helps to reduce the appearances of scars, free radicals, and it also helps to diminish more permanent marks. Okay, it helps in removing scars, and it's also a great remedy that retains moisture onto the skin. It's great for stretch mark, it's great for rough skin, and it is a nice combination to use with potato. Alright, so I've actually washed and peeled. Like, I've not actually peeled the skin, but I've washed it enough to use it this way. So I'm going to be cutting this into pieces, okay. So I'm going to be keeping aside few slices so we can actually use that for later, and then we're going to blend this particular one. Alright, so finish blending, and we're just going to be scooping that into a bowl. Now the next thing you're going to put in is either the capsule or the vitamin E oil. I'm going to be putting the oil, and I'm going to press in some few drops of that into this. Then I'll be putting in rice powder. One tablespoon of rice powder, that's what I added in. And then a little bit of ground flour would go a long way. And now, after mixing that up, we would have to stir it, okay? And when the consistency is too solid, then you can add up a little more of the potato juice. Alright, so the treatment is ready and set, and it smells good. Yeah. Okay, so I have some slice of this here also, which I'm actually going to first of all be using on my face. Now, if you're having some scanty dark spot, you can use this on your face, okay? And then, or if you just want to hasten up, you just use just the liquid of this protector on your face. That's the first step and the most simplest of them all. Always remember to apply on your lip so that your lip can be brighter. Alright, now if you have all of the treatments and you need all of the full pack, all of the full benefits, this is what you're just going to use. And I'm going to be using a brush. Pack this up into your skin. Alright, so after you've packed this onto your skin, now for you to clear all of the dark spots on your face, well, you have to allow this dry, okay? You don't necessarily need to scrub it, except you have some rough skin and your skin is actually very rough and you don't like the way it is, then you can scrub it, okay? And also pimples, you have to just pack this onto your skin and just allow it for just allow it for 5 minutes. Let it just dry, walk around, let this dry, and when it dries, it's just going to help. First, it's going to tighten up your skin, and secondly, it's going to brighten up your face, and thirdly, your dark spot is going to gradually go off on your skin. So it's something that you have to make, and you can store it. But the thing is that when you store potato, it tends to go dark and dark. So, but of course, you can store it for at least 3 days, and then you apply it every morning. Allow it sit there and dry. It's gonna lighten up your skin. Like seriously, trust me on this, guys. You are gonna be loving it, okay? But for the lazy man and lazy woman, you can actually use this, and then you just boop. You just leave it, pack it onto your skin, just like that. You rub this, you make sure that you would have to bring out the juice, from it, and then you rub it onto your skin. So basically that's how you are going to be. So try this particular remedy and let me know how it is for your dark spots and your pimples, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful a whole lot, okay? So after when it dries, then you can go wash it off. You apply a toilet soap and very much very mild a very mild lotion is gonna go well with this. So that's it, guys. Using potato this way, if you want to just do it fast, you can use it this just the potato slice, or if you want the full benefits of everything, you can mix it and blend it up the way I did, and your skin is gonna glow basically, okay? So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Cheers guys. Mwah.